Hello everyone, I am Castaway Trader. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my videos on my YouTube channel. And today we're gonna talk about Netflix and we will review the rally since 2008, and the main question for us is whether it has stopped or it still can get higher to make higher highs. But before we start, I want you to read that important disclaimer. Okay, let's start. Let's first find the highest possible time frame which would let us see the whole chart for the whole available period. And here we have a weekly chart covering the period from 2008 until 2018. And if you are familiar with Elliott wave fractals, so you can see that here we clearly have something which cannot be anything but wave 3 up. So most likely we are dealing here with an impulsive wave move up. And just to remind you how it should look like, so the basic fractal structure and the harmonic Elliott wave is 5-wave up structure, and wave 3 is normally the strongest part of the rally. And the question is whether we have topped here, because apparently we have not seen the wave 4, and the question is whether we have topped here and we are in the wave 4 already, or we may still be here and we need another push up to complete wave 3 before the larger correction would start. So let's review the chart in detail, and to do that we would need to zoom in, meaning that we would need to switch from weekly chart to daily chart, and we would need to focus first on the beginning of the chart, meaning that our period would be from 2008 until 2015. On the chart, we clearly see another basic fractal ABC up, which we count as wave 1 up. This is the starting point of 5-wave up fractal. If we come back to the model of 5-wave up, this is ABC up, this is wave 1 up, and this is where price should correct in ABC move down, in wave 2 down. And here we can easily identify that ABC down, which is a running flat correction, and you may know about that type of correction. If you don't, you can subscribe to my course which will be released in 7 days, and I will be talking about all different kinds of correction, and particularly about running flat correction, expanded flat correction, and all other type of corrective move. So here we have wave 1 up and wave 2 down. So now, according to our 5-wave up model, we should expect another move up in wave A of 3 up. And again, in this particular case, it is very easy to identify wave A of 3 up, which managed to make a much higher high over the top made by wave 1 up. And it is clearly subdivided into 5 subwaves up. We know that wave 3 up is subdivided into subwave A up, which is that, subwave B down, which is that, and from this point we should check for the most strongest part of the rally in wave C of 3 up, which should also be subdivided into 5 waves of smaller degree. To check the structure of that wave parenthesis C of parenthesis 3, we can shift our chart to the right, meaning that we would see the latest history on the chart, and at this point we are watching the daily chart covering the period from 2013 till 2018. Remember, this is 1 up, 2 down, and from here we should see the strongest part of the rally in wave 3, which is subdivided into 3 large waves, A, B, and C. And we know that wave C of 3 is subdivided into 5 smaller waves, 1 up, 2 down, 3 up, 4 down, and 5 up. The main approach which helps you to understand whether wave 3 has completed or not is to zoom in further to see the microstructure of each wave. So here we clearly see ABC of wave 1, shallow wave 2, and from here we should get ABC of wave 3. We have clear A and clear B. And from this point, from the low of wave B, we should get 5 smaller waves which would complete wave C of 3. And we get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So my opinion is that at this point we have not completed a large parenthesis 3 wave. We have only completed wave 3, and now we have completed wave 4, and we need to get another push up, which would complete wave 5, completing parenthesis wave C, completing parenthesis wave 3. This is how I expect it to unfold. We zoomed in again to get even more details, and we are starting from the bottom of wave B of parenthesis 3. This is our wave 1, this is our wave 2, and this is the whole completed wave 3, which itself is subdivided into A, B, and C up. From that point, we got a really nice looking corrective move down A, B, C, where C is equal to 100% of the first leg down wave A. It's a classic corrective move, and I would also point your attention to the fact that that move found support between two important Fibonacci retracement ratios, 44% and 50%. And in this particular case, to find retracement ratios for the possible support area, we measure first the distance covered by wave 3 only. And this is our corrective wave 4, which retraced almost 50% of the preceding rally in wave 3. So from this point, I expect another ABC move up, which would complete the larger parenthesis wave 3. So that wave A may top around $400 or may even retest the previous high made by wave 3 up. Then we should get a corrective wave B down, which may retrace from 61.8 until 76.4% of that rally in wave A. And finally, we should get a very strong rally in wave C of 5, which would complete that larger parenthesis wave 3, and it can target somewhere from $465 until $440, or maybe even a bit higher. For those of you who are not familiar with Harmonic Elliott wave, I should tell you that this is probably the most efficient tool for predicting market moves, and in 7 days I'm going to release my first video course. You can pre-register for that course on my website www.castawaytrader.com/education, and here if you pre-register and get on a list, you will get 50% discount on the course. And on this same address, you will be able to find a syllabus of that course. So currently I'm staying around 86 videos, and in those 7 days before I release the course, I think I will add a bunch of more videos. Each video would last on average from 1 to 4 minutes. There will be some longer videos where I'm talking about real life cases, but my approach is first to give you theory, but after each section I would provide you a bunch of real life examples where we'll be talking about Tesla, Netflix, main indices. If you want me to include any particular stocks and discuss them in detail, this is a great time to do that. Just send me email to castawaytrader@gmail.com, or just leave comment here on YouTube or on Twitter or on Stock Tweets. So you can follow me on Twitter. So my account is Castaway Trader, or on Stock Tweets /Castaway Trader, or you can follow me on YouTube, and you can find the link to my YouTube channel on my website, castawaytrader.com/videos. It was great to talk to you again, and I hope I will be releasing more videos soon. So I just have 7 more days to release my course, and as soon as I do that, I think I will be posting more videos and I will be posting more charts. Thank you very much for your time. Have good luck with your trading.